Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be making the jet puffed marshmallow squishy. I'm going to do it in real time. We're going to test this out for the tutorial because it's always good to give the best tips and tricks so that you will know exactly how to make this yourself. So what you're going to need to do first of all is take a piece of cling film like so, put it on your desk and make sure it's nice and spread out and all smooth in the center. Next we're going to need some pillow stuffing here. Oh, I've got a hair on it, gross. So you need some pillow stuffing. This is just regular pillow stuffing out of a cushion that I got from Tesco, so just the regular supermarket. And what we're going to do here is just roll the stuffing in the cling film so we have a nice chunky sausage-like shape, and we're just going to secure that end with a little bit of tape. Just tape that down. Perfect. Now with the ends, what we're going to want to do here is just grab it slightly, pull it to one side like so, and just tape that down into place. Just taking my tape. Perfect. And now this side here is going to obviously work out how chunky we want our squishy to be. So if you open it up just a little bit, push that stuffing back down in there, make him into a nice chunky boy, grab the cling film, pull it up like so until you're happy with the shape and the size and how that's kind of all sitting. If you find you have quite a bit of excess cling film, you can always just chop that off before taping it down. So there we go, just fold it over and tape that down. Now at this point, this is what the squish is looking like. It's looking a little bit misshapen. So what I'm going to do is go back in to the back, take some little bits of tape and just pull it slightly on there to just contour my shape and get that sitting nicely. Getting your shape perfect here is what you want to do. This almost looks like a toast, doesn't it? But that's not what we're going for today. So we'll just pull in those corners a little bit as well. Right, I think that's looking grand. So now we have our squishy. Obviously at the moment that cling film is keeping all the air in, so it will bubble out. What we are going to want to do at the end is add some air holes in to create the extra flow. Now at this point we can paint it white. That is going to obviously make it a nice solid base, but I want to keep this a very quick squishy today, so we're just going to keep the stuffing showing on through as sort of our colour. What I'm going to do is paint on the little face using an acrylic paint marker. This is just one of my Ohuhu ones, so just straight on there. We need the little eyes. There we go. And then just a little mouth to be very simple. Beautiful. Now we need to wait just for a minute for that to dry. And there we go, look, that face is all dry on there now. And what we need to do to protect that paint is just go back in with our cling film. So just take off another piece. There we go. Lay it down flat, especially over the front. This is the bit we want looking at the neatest. So just make sure it's pulled as flat and as tight as possible. Go, lovely. And now again we're gonna pull it all the way around to the back, tape it into place. These side bits I've obviously made a little bit too big, so I'm just going to cut off the excess. Perfect. And tape those two sides in on itself. There we go. Nice. Just make sure those sides are looking nice and neat. If not, again, you just need to go in and get your tape and just use your tape to kind of drag it around to the sides. Now, to increase the airflow, because that just isn't squishing at all, you are going to need a needle. So I'm just going to use this one, and I'm just going to pop a few holes in each of the sides. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and see how that feels. If you've seen that little burst of cling film there, that's kind of what we want to avoid. So just add an extra air hole and stuff, and then pull that cling film tight again. So if you have a bit extra space there, pull that in tight, and that will be pretty much it. How to create your very own jet puffed marshmallow squishy in literally under 5 minutes, including all the drying time. Look at that. So easy, so quick to make, and it's super slow rising and great to squish as well. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this tutorial, especially seeing how quick it was to put together, especially in real life. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like this format, by the way, seeing them made in real time, and hopefully that's going to be a bit helpful for you if you're actually looking to make the squishies. So yeah, hopefully you have a fantastic day, and I shall see you very soon for another video. Bye. Look at that poor little squished marshmallow. He will bounce back, I promise. That he's already getting there, and that happy face can return. So yeah, I'll see you very soon for another one.